I see you through the peephole. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Things Tina Does. I want to show you something really cool today. When you got like oranges and apples and stuff like that in your fridge that are starting to not be at the pristine moment of shoving them down your throat, I want to show you some stuff that's fun to do with those types of things, okay? So we're going to get right into it. Today I'm making baked apples. I'm going to core out my apples. I'm not sure if you guys have ever had baked apples. If you haven't, they're really, really lovely. And I'll tell you another lovely thing that I like about it is that they are done from start to finish in about 30 minutes. All right, we're just going to set our, look at that. I see you through the peephole. Ha! Okay, so we've got our apples cored. I'm going to do 4 today. And we have them in our lovely baking dish right here. All right, so we've just cored out our apples. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our little filling ready. All right, so in here I have half a cup of oats, a half a cup of walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of raisins. All right, now, if you want to see a little how-to on homemade granola, let me know in the comment section that you'd like to see that, because I'd love to show you how to do that, because we're kind of halfway there to granola right now, believe it or not. Okay, so I've got our oats, walnuts, and raisins in there. Now, into that is going to go our pinch of salt, pinch of clove, and I mean not very much of that, very, very small pinch of that, dash of nutmeg. And really, guys, on these spices, you're going to go with whatever you like the most, okay? So whatever is forward for you. I like a lot of cinnamon with my apples, so I'm going to do a whole teaspoon of cinnamon for that, okay? 1 tablespoon butter. And a half of a cup. I'm using coconut sugar today. Half of a cup of coconut sugar. All right, and we're just going to mix that all up together. Oh my word, you guys. Oh, you got to make these because the smell already is so amazing with the cinnamon, the spices, and those walnuts and raisins. By the way, you're going to preheat your oven to 350. Don't forget to do that. I mean, like when you're first pulling your apples out, get that done, because you're going to want to have that nice and hot by the time you're sticking your apples in. And because this prep goes so fast, you really need to get your oven preheated quickly. All right. And you can see I'm just shoving this down in here with my fingers. Just shove it right down in there. A little bit in the bottom of the dish. Sometimes I throw a little bit in the bottom of the dish on purpose. All right. On goes the lid. All right. If you've ever seen one of these at a thrift shop or store or something like that and wondered what it is, this is so cool. I found these and couldn't hardly believe my luck. They're apple bakers is what those are. Okay? Look, and it's a little hat. Okay. No, just kidding. All right, so the apple goes in. Again, you don't even have to butter this dish. Apple goes in just like that, and we're going to stuff it the same way we did. We're going to stuff it right down, all these lovely goodies, right down in the core of the apple. It's okay if it goes on the outside of the apple and down into the dish. That's going to be wonderful. Just scoop up with your apple later. Okay, all right, lids on, and again, into that 350 oven. We're going to check them in now these in about 25 minutes because they have that venting in the top. Again, I can see you. All right, so they have that venting in the top, so the steam's going to come out, and so these are going to caramelize while they're baking. We won't have to lift the lid off at the last couple of minutes to let them do that caramelization, okay? So in they go to the 350. Lovely. And we're going to check back in 20. Okay, guys, it's been 30 minutes. We're pulling them out. Okay. Alrighty. Want to see what this looks like? I do. Oh, yeah. Look at that, you guys. All right, now remember that on these, with the apple bakers, we didn't have to pull the lid off to let that caramelization happen because it has the vented lid, remember. So, but is that not gorgeous? Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Now, they're all ready to go. You can eat them as is, super healthy treat, or you can top them with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. That's my favorite way to do it. I just like it with that little bit of ice cream on there, guys. Just a little bit. The tartness of that apple, that little bit of walnut and raisin in there, and that cold, creamy ice cream with it. Wow, what a treat. When the weather starts turning a little bit chilly, a little bit nippy, something like that, this is a lovely little thing to use to do with your apples or something like that. So, guys, I tell you what, you gotta try this. Leave me a comment, like it, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check us out on all of our other social media platforms, okay? We're on Instagram, Facebook, we're uploading all the time. So check us out and let us know what you think about this. Seriously, you gotta try it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.